and you. Come and join us. Jabi Park is for me and you. Come and join us. Jabi Park is for me and you. Come and join us. Come and join us. Come and join us. Freedom is for me and you. Come and join us. Jabi Park is for me and you. Come and join us. Jabi Park. Save Jabi Park. Save Jabi Park. Save Jabi Park. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Save Jabi Park. Save Jabi Park. Save Jabi Park. Save Jabi Park. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park. Wike is the land. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Freedom cometh by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Freedom cometh by struggle. Freedom come by struggle. By struggle. Freedom come. Jabi Park cometh by struggle. Freedom come. By struggle, by struggle. Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Wike is the land. 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 Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Wike is the land. 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 Save Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Tinubu is the land. Tinubu is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Tinubu is the land. Tinubu is the land. Save Jabi Park now. Save is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Wike is the land. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Wike is the land. 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 Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. Save Jabi Park now. When my sins, they go past me. They go past me. When my sins, they go past me. Purpose. The purpose is for relaxation. The purpose is tourism. The purpose is to ensure that you can have a place in Abuja where you can go on a Saturday morning and exercise.
Yes, sir.
As we have seen today. The purpose is for you to have a place after a week-long work where you can relax in the evening.
Yes, sir.
It's for meditation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's for physical and mental health.
Yes, sir.
But the enemies of our people decided that of all the places to sell in Abuja, Jabi Lake is their target.
Yes, sir.
And this has been happening since Wike came into Abuja. Yes, sir. As a minister. Wike is not alone in this. His senior brother, Bola Tinubu, is also a
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In fact, what they exported to Abuja, they have been doing in Lagos and Rivers State. Yes, sir. Every piece of land in Port Harcourt has been stolen by Wike.
Yes, sir.
Every piece of land you see in Lagos has either been stolen or appropriated by Tinubu.
Yes, sir.
In fact, in Lagos, Tinubu once converted a polytechnic land to his TV station. That was in Lagos.
Yes, sir.
So they brought that impunity to Abuja, and we have promised that we will not allow them to do it here.
Yes, sir. You are right.
That was the reason why we invited all of you to come here.
Yes, sir.
We have been coming to this park for weeks now, having meetings with the poor people who are making a living out of here as well. Because this is also an economic hub for the informal sector. And we are here today. I want to thank all of you for coming out en masse.
Yes.
But we need more people.
Yes.
I don't find it funny that we are here fighting for a park, and the people who are using the park are pretending as if they can't see us.
I'm telling you.
The people who have to come here every day to use this park to make money are even complaining that we are disturbing their business. Well, I have some information for you. If you don't fight for this park, in 2 weeks' time, there will be no business other than the business of Wike and the government in this park.
Yes, sir.
They are planning to build residential areas
And hotel.
and hotels that will price you out of the use of this park. We have done our research. There are 14 acres from the beginning to the end.
Yes, sir.
And Wike has already 3 acres for himself.
Yes.
Personally. The others are working to develop it. That's why you see these walls and demarcations. All by the next 1 week or so, there will be more demarcations. In fact, what used to be these temporary demarcations will be turned to permanent demarcations. And they will prevent anybody who is not a construction worker or the owner of the land from entering.
Yes.
In a matter of months from now, it will be a crime to enter this land.
Yes, sir.
It is called trespassing. That is what they are planning for you. So when we are here, it's not as if we use a park. But I have said it and I'll repeat it again. A park is a piece of heaven on earth.
Yes, sir.
And anywhere you find a park, please don't let anybody steal it from you.
Yes.
It's good for your health, both physical and mental. It's good for your economy.
Yes, sir.
It's good for the environment. And it's good for humanity.
Yes, sir.
That is why we came here today. And luckily enough, we have been able to carry out a lot of sensitization and mobilization.
Yes.
But it has not ended. We came back in so that we can have a discussion with you as to why we are here, especially those of you who are not convinced as to why we are here. And the mobilization will continue. We'll still go back to the highway.
Yes, sir.
And do another central mobilization.
Yes, sir.
We have banners and we have placards
Yes, sir.
that speaks to why we are here today.
Yes, sir.
And we must ensure that this struggle continues until we win,
Yes, sir.
until we restore this park back so that ordinary Nigerians can use it.
Yes, sir.
It is not too much to ask for
Yes, sir.
that we be given just 14 acres of land in the middle of Abuja
Yes, sir.
to relax, because these land thieves have already taken over Asokoro,
Yes.
where they have over 5,000 houses unoccupied. They are taking over Asokoro extension known as Guzape. They've taken over Wuse. They've taken over Metama and Metama extension.
Yes.
Wike has land as far as Buhari. Wike is university land, University of Abuja land. He took part of it. He has gone near the law school. In fact, if you go to Buhari, if you don't have electricity, it's because Wike has converted the electricity there for the business of his children. So he take away from the people the little electricity they have for their own personal factories. This is wickedness. But all of us know that Wike's middle name is Wicked.
Wicked. Yes.
But we must make sure that his wickedness does not prevent us from living our lives fully.
Yes, sir.
These guys are just temporary officials that hopefully,
Hopefully.
and mandatorily,
Yes, sir.
we must remove from power
Yes, sir.
as soon as possible
Yes, sir.
by struggle that we all know how to do.
Yes, sir.
And if anyone tells you that struggle does not matter, well, you know the consequences of not struggling at all.
At all.
Because Nigeria, to even survive, is a daily struggle.
It's a daily struggle.
So that is why we are here today. And we will continue this march back on the highway again. But as we are going, please ask everybody to join us.
Yes, sir.
If we have the numbers, we can achieve a lot of results immediately. If we don't have the numbers, you delay freedom by several hours, days, months, and sometimes centuries. Those of you who are familiar with that biblical story of the movement of Israelites, yes, it was supposed to take 40 days, but because they were careless, it took 40 years. We want our own to happen in 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
Freedom is for me and you.
Come and join us.
Come and join us. Come and join us. Freedom is for me and you.
Come and join
Please,
us.
if any one of you has got questions for us, quickly, because we see a lot of media houses around. And we thank you for coming, by the way. Please, let's take your questions before we
hit the streets again. They have to yield to the demands of the people.
Yes.
It's going to be a prolonged and protracted struggle. And let us advise you and advise Wike and anybody who has been given land here. Even if you build this land and finish it, as long as the people want it, your houses will be demolished so that the park can breathe.
All oppressors can go run away. When my sins take over, when we take over, when my sins take over, take over, when my sins take over, it's so wicked, so oppressive, they go run away. When my sins take over, when we take over, when my sins take over, take over, when my sins take over, it's so wicked, they go run away. When my sins take over, when we take over, when my sins take over, take over, when my sins take over, street, they no vote, they go run away. When my sins take over, when we take over, when my sins take over, take over, when my sins take over, street, so wicked. Who is a land thief? Wicked is a land thief. Sowore, Wike is a lighting, Sowore. Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Wike is a land thief. 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 Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Wike is a land thief. 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 Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Wike is a land thief. 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 Tinubu is a land thief. Tinubu is a land thief. Say Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is a land thief. 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 Say Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is a land thief. 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 Wike is a barawo. 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 Say Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a land thief. 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 Wike is a federal thief. Wike is a federal thief. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Tinubu is a barawo. Tinubu is a barawo. Say Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is a land thief. 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 Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Wike is a barawo. Say Jabi Park now. 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 Pray don't come my struggle. Pray don't come my struggle. My struggle. Pray don't come. pack cometh by struggle, cometh by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Jabi Park cometh by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Never to run by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. By struggle, freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Jabi Park cometh by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. Freedom cometh by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come. By struggle, freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come, make it run by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom come, by struggle. Freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom by struggle, freedom come by struggle, by struggle. Freedom. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Wike is a Barao. Wike is a Barao. Wike is a land thief. 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 Say Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is a Barao. Wike is a Barao. Wike is a criminal. Wike is a criminal. Wike is a land thief. Wike is a land thief. Wike is a riga. Wike is a riga. Wike is a land thief. Wike is a land robber. Wike is a land thief. Wike is a land robber. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Say Jabi Park now. Tinubu na tifo. Tinubu na tifo. Wike na tifo. Wike na tifo. Wike is a land thief. Wike is a land thief. Say Jabi Park now. 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 Wike is a Barao. Wike is a Barao. Tinubu is a land thief. Tinubu is a land thief. Say Jabi Lake now. 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 Wike is a who is a land thief? Wike is a land thief. Who is a land thief? Wike is a land thief.
It is so annoying. You came and had a government who doesn't have. We are the government. They are not the government. They are representing us. They are not the government. Aswaju Ahmad Tinubu, you are not the government, though. We are the government. We decide on what Nigeria should look like. Not you, Apabio, Wike. You cannot decide on us. We are the government. Without we, can you exist? You can't exist. If we are not here, can you exist? Who do you want to govern us if we are not around? We are not here. So why should you please inflict pain on Nigerians? Is that the way you govern us? Is that the way governance is? Please, you should do things rightly. You were once a governor, you were once a senator, and you were once a struggler too, and you were once at least on the street. We expect your maturity, we expect your experience, we expect your structure to at least give Nigeria a good light. We are disappointed, please. We are disappointed. We are highly disappointed. We Nigerians are highly disappointed. We thought you were a man of integrity. We thought a president of loyalty. We thought a president of cooperation. We thought a president that can lead Nigeria to at least a promising land. We are disappointed. We are highly disappointed. We have to tell you. If they don't tell you, we'll tell you. We are not afraid of anybody. We are Nigerians. We are supposed to air our voice and aspiration. What you guys are giving Nigerians is not what we expected. So apparently we have to tell you the truth. Nigerians are not happy with you. And look at this place that thousands used to come and at least give themselves some at least element of at least relaxation. Somebody is trying to pick it up. Is that the way governance is? Please, it's a question, please. Is that the way you wake up and see the other past leaders are doing? Why can't you emulate? Why can't you give a very sound and incredible way of governance? Why yours is so painful, so devastating, so prostrating? We have to tell you, I am not afraid of anybody. If I don't speak my mind, I'm not a Nigerian. I'm not a hypocrite. I will tell you, you are governing me. I am the true Nigerian. I am the true Nigerian. Without me, can you govern us? Tell me. You don't do things like that. You have to go back to your drawing board and put plans on how Nigerians should be happy. That is what we are expecting from you. Thank you very much. Thank you.